Aslam alaikum friends, my name is Tahsin Akbar and you are watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Today we will talk about Pakistan Navy inducts fast-track indigenous built missile warship in its arsenal. The launching ceremony of indigenously built ship fast attack craft missile -4 for Pakistan Navy was held at Karachi Shipyard and Engineering Works KSEW. Minister for Defense Production, MODP, Zubaida Jalal was chief guest on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, she said ministry is striving for establishment of new shipyards for economic development of the country. Managing Director, Shipyard Rear Admiral Athar Salim shed light over the project of ship manufacturing and termed it a milestone towards self-reliance at the country level. The ship is missile craft which will be equipped with multi-mission and latest anti-ship missile and sensors.